arrest, and then of course the acceptance and all. So it took about a year to figure everything out, and we probably discussed this around maybe September of last year. No particular reason why it happened, but I think it's more of the openness of the BMG and the UAP to look at new things, to innovate, and have something different for the good of the league, to help Philippine sports in general, to especially football. I think more and more people are watching the men's football games of the UAP, and now let's also make the other boys football something to be talked about in the UAP. So I think that's the reason behind this, and this is very exciting. I'm personally excited to see the players of Southbridge and Claret, especially si Tacarton, si Filmar. Kasi lahat ng brothers ito, standouts with UP. If he's that good, maybe FAU can also take a look at him instead of UP. So, in college, we're talking about college. So, no, this is, I'm sure some of the high school kids of Southbridge and Claret want to play the UAP in college. But this is an opportunity for them to represent their schools in the UAP. So we're proud. We're proud that this is happening in the UAP. We're happy to have both schools.
The questions of timing, but I guess to quote some people, sometimes it's happening that the best timing is now. A good plan executed today is better than a perfect plan executed tomorrow. And I guess I've always tried to tie things up with our team, no? So sinabi ni Mark, nag-start last year when we fueled the future. So the future is now. And pasok pala sa tema, now we're stronger, better, together with 6 high school teams. Pag ako tinanong nyo, high school baseball ang sagot ko dyan. No, but I guess everything's open, and like Mark has said, you have to admire. We get the fans don't get to enjoy any game, 40 minutes of action in basketball, but what they don't see is the deliberations we have during our board meetings. This is a very dynamic board. In fact, Em has already floated another seminar that we can go to for our continued growth. No? So everyone talagang ways to improve and get better every time pinag-usapan. So this is, I won't say this is the last, but this can only be the start of many things. And I think my colleague would like to share something.
No. I think the UAAP, I think we share the idea that we try to run our tournaments at a high level. And because we are already at a high level, it's sad that in some of our sports, we only have 4 or 5 teams. So the idea came about of being able to share this opportunity with other schools, as M would say, or ED, going beyond the box. No? We as part of growth, we try to think up of innovations, and this was one. Being able to share the opportunity with other schools, at the same time providing the opportunity to help Philippine sports, because as we know, grade school and high school, I remember when I was working at the Salvi Hills, the NCAA team, the top tier team, was the aspiration of the lower teams. Yung nasa Prada, Paya, yung mga ganyan. So hopefully, in this case, we'll be able to share the opportunity of the UAAP to, in this particular instance with Claret and Para Southbridge, and hopefully, as they said, their kids from grade school, elementary will look up to these teams and aspire to join. And to answer you back to your question, there are other sports that we are really looking at. Baseball is really one of them. We're hoping that we can build up more teams in the UAP and hopefully invite other teams. I'm sure Southbridge is also looking forward to hopefully being that one team to join also in our baseball tournament.
Actually, for me, if they mentioned my name because I was the one who initially floated the idea that we should expand the high school teams or high school participation. Because there are certain schools that only have 4 teams, certain divisions that only 4 schools are participating in. So one idea is, why not for competitions where there are only 4 or 5 teams playing, invite high school teams. Initially, high school teams with no universities or no college affiliation, para wala talagang conflict, to invite them to participate in high school, in the high school division. And it just happened that football was the initial sport. But it doesn't mean it was end there. It just starting with football. And hopefully, it will be a success that we can ask even Guaret and even Southbridge to fill in their teams in the other high school division. In the high school tournaments where there are only 4 schools or 5 or less schools participating. So that's the idea. Now, for which schools were invited, I'll give you, I'll turn it over to them. Right.
We will try not to mention the other 2 schools now, but we did have 4 schools total. And in fact, out of the 4, the original plan was to play elimination matches to be able to pick the 2. The 2 teams that will form the 6. No? But I guess in the negotiations, with the initial meetings and all, the other 2 decided that it wasn't time for them yet. So just to be fair to both Claret and Southbridge, we decided, okay, let's just put them all in. No need for any other. What's this? Let's not look for other teams anymore. I think we're satisfied. And as I mentioned earlier, if you were to look at the high school football landscape, excluding the UAAP, these are the top 2 teams that I know that we will be able to perform in the UAAP and give the other 4 teams a run for their money. So that's the story there, and we're just happy that they're here.